Hello, friends. Why the south direction is quietly connected to wealth. Some of the fastest growing and wealth creating regions in America in the southern United States. Cities like Austin, Miami, Dallas, and Nashville have seen massive wealth creation over the past decades. Real estate prices have surged, businesses have relocated there, and billions of people have moved south in search of opportunity. Yet in many traditional belief systems about homes and property, people often hesitate when they hear one phrase, a south-facing house. That hesitation reveals something interesting. Many people misunderstand the deeper meaning of direction, especially when it comes to wealth and growth. The hidden pattern behind property choices. When people look for property, they usually rely on popular beliefs rather than real understanding. In many traditions, buyers prefer north facing homes first. East comes second, west is considered acceptable. But when the property faces south, doubt appears immediately. People often assume that south brings challenges. However, when we step back and look at economic geography, a surprising pattern emerges. Across the United States, many of the most dynamic economic regions are located in the southern half of the country. Over the past 2 decades, the South has attracted corporates, technology companies, and major real estate investment. The migration of businesses and professionals into the southern United States had created entire cities where wealth and opportunities are expanding rapidly. So the question becomes obvious, if the south direction were truly negative, why would so much growth and prosperity appear there? Ancient spatial wisdom offers a fascinating explanation. Ancient principle behind the four direction. Traditional architectural knowledge systems such as Vastu Shastra describe directions as symbol of different human strengths. Each direction represents a different path toward wealth and success. North, the direction of opportunity and financial intelligence. The north direction is traditionally linked to Mercury. Mercury represents intelligence, calculation, negotiation, and strategy. This direction symbolizes the ability to recognize opportunity and turn small resources into profit. Throughout history, trading communities often preferred this direction because it represents mental sharpness in financial matters. Someone with strong business intelligence can create value from very little. They can take a small investment and multiply it through strategy, communication, and clever decision making. Because of this association with financial intelligence, north facing properties became widely preferred. They symbolize movement, trade, and opportunity. Next is east direction, the direction of knowledge and influence. The east direction represents knowledge and leadership. It is connected with the energy of the sun and Jupiter. This direction reflects a different path to wealth. Instead of quick financial opportunity, it represents influence built through knowledge. Many modern professions follow this path. Educators, advisors, writers, creators, and thought leaders build success through credibility and expertise. Intelligence alone can open doors. Wisdom earns trust. That is why East is often considered the second preferred direction. It requires more efforts, learning, and growth before the rewards appear. Next one is West direction, the direction of profits and accumulation. The west direction represents results. It symbolizes the ability to convert effort into miserable gain. Historically, before electricity became common, the western side of homes was often darker after sunset. This made it a practical location for storing valuables. In many traditional houses, underground storage rooms or safes were built on the western side of the structure. These spaces protected gold, cash, and important possessions. Over time, the direction became associated with accumulation and financial gain. It represents the final stage of effort. First comes opportunity from the north, then wisdom from the east, then profit from the west. Now the south direction, the direction of discipline and wealth creation. The south direction represents something more demanding. It is associated with Lord Hanuman and planet Mars, endurance, courage, and sacrifice. This direction symbolizes the kind of strength required to build large and lasting success. Unlike the other directions, the South does not promise easy opportunity. Instead, it offers growth to those who accept discipline. The story of Lord Hanuman illustrates this idea. According to traditional narratives, Lord Hanuman possessed extraordinary power but initially did not recognize it. His abilities awakened only when he found a purpose and devoted himself completely to that mission. This mirrored the deeper meaning of the South directions. Human potential becomes powerful only when focus, discipline, and purpose align. What this means in today's economy. If we apply this framework to modern economics, an interesting pattern appears. Many of the most successful people follow the same progression represented by these directions. First comes opportunities, then learning and expertise, then financial gain, finally, disciplined expansion. The rapid economic growth seen in parts of the southern United States reflects this last stage. Cities like Austin and Dallas have become magnets for entrepreneurs and corporations. Technology companies, investment firms, and new businesses continue to relocate there. In places like Miami, global capital flows into real estate, finance, and innovation. These regions attract individuals willing to work intensely, take risks, and commit to long-term goals. That is exactly the mindset represented by the Southern direction. Growth that demands discipline often products the largest rewards. Finally, I would like to tell you that every direction represents a different stages of prosperity. Opportunity begins with intelligence, wisdom builds with influence, efforts creates profit, but disciplined commitment turns success into lasting wealth. The South direction symbolizes the final step. It asks for patience, focus, and sacrifice. Yet, for those who accept the challenge, it can unlock extraordinary growth. Just as entire regions can transform through dedication and investment, individuals can do the same when their energy aligns with purpose and discipline. Wealth rarely appears by accident. More often, it grows where determination meets opportunities. Sometimes small changes in our surroundings can create a surprisingly powerful shift in the energy around us. And when the energy of your home starts working with you instead of against you, opportunities often begin to appear in ways you never expected. Thank you for watching this video.